Hey guys, I'm just really quick going to go through humerus with you, and again to show you the anatomy and then how to tell right from left. So we're just going to go through page 82 in your lab manuals, so we'll just go ahead and get started. So the first thing is the greater and lesser tubercles. So if you kind of look, now I should start the head of the humerus. This is the head of the humerus, so kind of this ball here. So then you see these kind of two little bumps. So the one furthest away, and you can think of from the ball, is your greater tubercle, and then this one is your lesser tubercle. And the space between here is your intertubercular groove, right here, which makes sense. So then we have our little deltoid tuberosity, which is just this kind of bumpy part, this tuberosity in the middle of the bone. And then if you can imagine, if I were to put my fingers in a kind of a circle around right here, this is the surgical neck of the humerus. And if I were to put it here, kind of diagonally, if you can imagine, this is the anatomical neck of the humerus. So now we're going to go down here. We're going to start with our olecranon fossa. That's right here. This little guy down below it is your trochlea. Then you have your medial epicondyle and your lateral epicondyle. Then we'll flip it around, and then this little circle here, this little ball, is your capitulum. And then again, we have our little trochlea here. So now I'm going to tell you how you can tell between a right and a left. So the first thing you do is you find that intertubercular groove right here and point it forward, so anterior. So it's pointing anterior from me. And then you look down here, and if you can see, this little this condyle is epicondyle, is much more like pointy than the other one, and this will always point medial. So if we have our intertubercular groove forward, and then this guy here, and this is actually called the medial epicondyle. So this is always going to point medial, so therefore we know this is a right humerus. So there you go. Happy studying, guys. Good luck.